My name's Christina and I'm a partner with Ferrer, Perot, and Wansbrough. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is a neurological disorder that affects movement and muscle coordination. It occurs when there is an injury to the child's brain while it's still developing. There are a number of different classification systems and terms that the doctors may use. It can be a little confusing, but they all vary depending on the severity, maybe from mild to severe, and the different types of the body that are affected. It also will depend on which type of doctor you're visiting, so they may use different terms depending on whether you're visiting someone who is giving your child physical therapy or a doctor who may be looking at neurological issues. In most cases, cerebral palsy is non-life-threatening and it's non-progressive, meaning that your child's cerebral palsy condition is not going to worsen. However, it is permanent and it is incurable. There are, however, a number of treatments and therapies that are available to make your child's symptoms more manageable and to enhance their life. There are different therapies such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapies. There are a number of surgeries that they can perform to alleviate some of your child's pain and symptoms. There are also assistive technologies and different medications that your child can use. Cerebral palsy is caused when there's a deprivation of oxygen to your child's brain during labor and/or delivery. It can also occur when there's some type of trauma. Now, often what we see at Ferrer, Perot, and Wansbrough is that some of the cases are caused by some type of medical error, and in other cases, it just occurred due to other reasons. In about 10% of the cases, we see that it's actually caused by some type of medical error. Some of the medical errors that we see here at the firm are failure to properly monitor the child's fetal heart rate. It could also be that they failed to perform a C-section when labor has failed to progress or is taking too long. They may also have misused the forceps or a vacuum or other tools during the delivery. They may have failed to diagnose an infection or failed to treat that infection. These are a number of causes. The list is not exhaustive, but if you're concerned or have questions about what caused your child's cerebral palsy diagnosis, give us a call. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we will be happy to help answer any questions and assist you through this process. Now, I'm a mother of two, and I understand that having a child is one of the most exciting times in your life. But it's also a very scary time because you are entrusting the doctors, nurses, and the medical facility with your child's life. If there's a medical error, it can have serious lifelong consequences. These types of injuries can take a toll on your family financially and emotionally. When your child is first diagnosed, you are going to have a lot of questions and you're going to want to make sure that you're doing everything that you can for your child. The bills may be piling up. You may have expenses that were unforeseen for numerous doctor's visits, different treatments and medications. These types of cases, when they involve medical malpractice, are actually very complex, and there could be deadlines that, if not met, could bar your claim. It's very important that you find an attorney who can handle the legal complexities of your claim while you tend to your child's health and your family's needs. It's important that you're prepared for the length of time that this type of case can take. They are very complex, they require research and investigation, and it's not something that's going to just be handled in a matter of months. You need to be prepared for the long haul, and our firm is prepared to be here for you throughout the entire process. We're not going to be able to make up completely for what your child and your family have gone through, but we do hope that we can get you justice and compensation for your child's injuries and the needs that they are going to have throughout their entire life. If you have questions about your child's cerebral palsy diagnosis and what may have been the cause, whether or not there were medical errors that could have caused your child's diagnosis, please give us a call. We have people here who can answer your questions. Attorneys are ready to speak with you and investigate your claim.